Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to track texture in warped surfaces like this. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to drag the selected footage into the project timeline in After Effects. And select the part of the footage where you want to texture track with a logo, title, or anything you want. Next, you have to drag the logo, icon, or any kind of element in the project sequence that you want to track in the warped texture surfaces. And you have to resize the icon in your desired location of the subject and check if it's looking good or not. Now, you need to pre-compose the icon layer from the sequence timeline. Now, double-click on the pre-composed icon layer and take a new solid layer in it. In Color Palette, choose a dark and plain black color from Color Picker. And drag the icon layer above the solid black color layer. Now, go to the main composition. Click on the pre-composed layer. From the middle of the timeline, cut the layer into one frame, so that the layer icon can be visible for only one frame. Now, click the main footage and create a mask in the position of the icon using Rectangle tool. Make sure the icon can't be out of that mask. And, from the footage properties, subtract the mask from drop-down menu. Now, from the Window tab, select Content-Aware Fill option. A window named Content-Aware Fill will be opened near Effects and Presets tab. Now, from Fill Method option, select Surface. Then, from Content-Aware Fill Settings, give a tick on Create Photoshop Sequence for output, and press OK. And lastly, click Generate Fill Layer. It will start working generating the layer. It may take some time depending on your PC configuration and RAM. And then, you can check the footage. The icon has been tracked in the surface of the subject, but with the black layer background that need to be removed. Now, from the main composition, pre-compose both the Fill PSD layer and the previous pre-composed layer. And in the main footage properties, in the mask options, select back again to None. Now, from the Effects and Presets tab, search Color Key option and drag it to the recent pre-compose layer, and remove the black background from the icon by simply using the Color key. Then you'll see the black background is gone from the icon layer in the footage. But if you play the footage, you'll see there is still some black shades in the edge of the icon black layer. Now use the color key attributes from the Effects Control tab. It depends on the footage you're working on. You may need to change some attributes' value and some need not. Now, choose Simple Choker Effect from Effects and Presets tab, and drag it to the recent pre-composed layer. And fix the value of Choke Matte at 0.50. It will smooth the edges and help you to remove the black shade from the icon black layer. Now, mask the recent pre-composed layer, which is the icon layer, in order to remove the black edges around the icon. You can also use Pen tool and track like this to get a better result. This is the most important part of this video. You have to do it carefully in order to get perfect icon tracking in the warped texture surface. After that, you need to change Recent Pre-Composed Layer Mode to Overlay in order to blend the icon properly. And that's it. The texture tracking in the warped surface is done. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.